Hello students, today we are going to learn about human female reproductive system. In female reproductive system, the parts are a pair of ovaries, pair of oviducts, uterus, cervix and vagina. When we talk about pair of ovaries, what are the functions of ovaries? They release female eggs and they also produce hormones which are progesterone and estrogen. Then we talk about pair of oviducts. They are tube-like structures which are attached from ovaries. They carry eggs from ovary to the womb. Womb is the uterus, and they are also the site of fertilization. Here the egg, when reaches the oviduct, then the sperm comes and fertilizes the egg here. So this is the site of fertilization. Then comes the uterus. Uterus is where the embryo is implanted. When egg is fertilized in oviduct, the first cell which is formed is known as zygote. The zygote, when divides number of times, it produces embryo. This embryo then goes to the uterus and is implanted and continue to grow and develop to become fetus. Here the placenta is formed. Placenta is the connection between mother and embryo. Then the vagina, opening where sperm enters the female body and fetus comes out of the mother's body. And cervix. Cervix is the end of the uterus, or you can say the start of the uterus after the vagina. Okay. And what is the development time during duration of the baby, that is the fetus, which is also known as the gestation period? It is approximately 9 months. So let us now draw female reproductive system. If you like the video, please like it, subscribe it and share the video. Children, now get your pen, paper, pencil, erasers and start drawing with me. So first we will draw oviducts. You can draw with me. We will start from here. I will draw slowly and slowly so that you can also draw with me. Can you see it properly? So these are the two oviducts which are going. Now here is the first ovary and here is the second ovary. Here we produce eggs. The ovaries here they produce eggs. Now they are attached with the oviducts with a crown like structure so that it can hold it properly. Let us draw with me. Slowly and slowly we are drawing it. It is a pear-shaped system, wider at the upper level and goes narrower and narrower as it goes down. Are you able to draw it along with me? These are the uterine muscles. These are the muscles. Like this, you will draw them. Okay. You can see that the uterus wall is a little thicker one than the rest of the system. It will go like this. like this. Now we will attach ovaries with the uterus wall with the help of attachments. The ovary is attached here also. They are not hanging in the air, they are attached like this. These are the two ovaries. Now these two ovaries, they produce eggs, and the eggs are released from the ovary in the oviduct, here and here. Okay, this is the site for fertilization, right? When the sperm enters the female reproductive system, it reaches the ovaries here, right? And this is the place where the fertilization will take place. When the fertilization takes place, the first cell which is formed is known as zygote. The zygote then divides, redivides and changes into embryo. Embryo comes here in this area, which is the uterus area. This is the uterine wall, and it implants itself on the uterus wall, anywhere where it gets the place. It can be implanted here, here, here. If it is coming from here, it can be implanted here or here, wherever. So it is not pre-decided that where it will get implanted. So, and develops placenta. Okay, the placenta is the connection with mother of the baby or the embryo, where it gets all the food, nutrition from. Let us label the diagram. This is the ovary. This is uterus. Oviduct. Oviduct are also known as fallopian tube. This is the cervix. Now what is cervix? Cervix is, if you see from here, then it is the starting of the uterus. If you see from here, it is the end of the uterus. This is the point where the uterus is starting. Okay, so, and you can see that the female reproductive system is a little tighter over here, right? Now this is vagina. What you can do is, you can, if you want to see that these are the muscles, you can just make them like this. You can show them like this. It will like this, right? With the help of pencil. This is the way to show that these are muscles. Okay children, so let us revise. This is ovary. This is second ovary. So we have a pair of ovaries, we have pair of oviduct, then we have uterus, which we have cervix, we have vagina. The egg is released from the ovary here and here, and then it reaches the oviduct. This is the site of fertilization where sperm comes and enters the the sperm comes and fertilizes the egg, and the first zygote is formed. Then the zygote divides, redivides to form embryo. Embryo then starts coming to the uterus, and it implants itself anywhere on the wall of the uterus and develops placenta, and this placenta gives food to the embryo from the mother's body. It is a connection with the mother's body. Okay, this is the vagina from where the sperm enters, and also the baby comes out of the female reproductive system or the mother's body out and see the world for the first time. And this is the cervix, which is the connection or you can say the end of the uterus. If you go from here, then it is the end of the vagina. If you come from here, then it is the end of the uterus. Okay, children, I hope it is clear to you. And if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and also you can comment on the video. Thank you so much for making along with me and seeing this video. Thank you, students.